Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are an interior designer, architect, student or CAD lover, today's video is exactly what you need. In this tutorial, I will show you the complete step-by-step method to download and install SketchUp 2026 safely and correctly. No confusions, no wrong links, no unnecessary clicks. Let's get started. First thing first, open your browser and simply Google search Trimble SketchUp. Now click on the very first official website. Always remember, genuine software always comes from genuine sources. Once you are on the website, search for SketchUp 2026. Click on Download SketchUp. Here you will see options for different systems. Choose SketchUp 2026 for Windows or Mac depending on your device. The download will start and you will get an .exe file for Windows or .dmg for Mac. Once the file is downloaded, run the installer. Click on Install. Now important step here. You will see an option for V-Ray download. Simply cancel or skip the V-Ray option for now. You can always install it later. Let the installation complete. Click Finish. After installation, open SketchUp 2026. Read the license agreement carefully and then hit Accept. Sign in to the application using your Trimble account. If you are a student or teacher, here is the best part. You can get a yearly SketchUp subscription at a highly discounted price using your student or teacher ID. The subscription cost is very nominal, especially compared to what SketchUp offers professionally. I have shared the official purchase link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Once you are logged in, congratulations, you can now fully use SketchUp 2026. If you were already using an older version of SketchUp, no worries. You can easily migrate your extensions from the previous version into SketchUp 2026 and continue your workflow smoothly. I strongly encourage you to always use genuine software. It is safe, legal, stable and supports your professional growth. When the subscription is so affordable, especially for students and teachers, there is really no need to risk cracked versions. If this video helped you, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more SketchUp, CAD, interior design and rendering tutorials. I have added links to related tutorials in the description below, so make sure you watch them next. See you in the next video. Until then, keep designing and keep learning.